Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Bring your right hand up to your left shoulder and your left hand down to your right hip. Then slide your hands to the opposite side. Repeat the first 2 counts of section 2 of part 4. Push your left hand over to the left as you step over to the right with your right foot. Bring your left foot over to meet it and step in place on your right foot. Now step out to the left with your left foot and push out to the right with your right hand as you slide your right foot over to meet your left foot. Look to the right and, keeping your elbow bent, bring your right arm up and twirl your hand a couple of times before swinging your right arm up and back. While still looking to the right, extend your left arm up and back a bit, then bend both elbows, bringing your hands near your shoulders. Step to the left with your left foot and push out to the right with both hands as you slide your right foot over to meet your left foot. Tap your head with your right hand twice, then point to your head with the index finger of your right hand and swing your right arm up and out, then down as you look to the right. Step over to the right on your right foot as you bring your right arm up and your left arm down, then spin them in a clockwise circle. End with your left foot near your right foot and your left arm on top of your right arm. Bring your left arm up and your right arm down, then bring them back together. Extend your arms straight out to either side, then bring your right arm up further as you tilt your head to the right. Swing your right arm down behind your back as you tilt your head to the left. Bring both hands up to either side of your head, then turn your head in a counterclockwise circle. Quickly slide your right hand from your left shoulder to your right shoulder, then bring both hands up near your shoulders before lowering them as you roll your body. Push your right hand over to the right as you step over to the left with your left foot, bring your right foot over to meet it, and step in place on your left foot. Now step out to the right with your right foot and push out to the left with your left hand as you slide your left foot over to meet your right foot. Take 4 steps in a counterclockwise circle, starting on your left foot. While facing the camera, bring your left hand up near the right side of your face, then bring it back down to your side as you bring your right hand up to your head with your elbow pointing to the right. Turn your upper body to the left as you bend your knees, then swing your right arm in a counterclockwise circle until your right hand is near your right shoulder. Step over to the left on your left foot, then move your right hand out and down as you look to the right and bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Step over to the right on your right foot as you bring your right arm up and your left arm down, then spin them in a clockwise circle. End with your left foot near your right foot and your left arm on top of your right arm. Bring your left arm up and your right arm down, then extend your right arm straight out toward the camera with your index finger extended and put your left hand under your right elbow. As you turn to the right, bring your right arm in and under your left arm so that your left hand is on the inside of your right elbow. Bend your right knee and your right elbow, bringing your hand up as you lean back slightly. For the next 4 counts, slowly stand up straight and drop your arms. Then, for the next 4 counts, take a few steps back and forth as you turn back toward the camera. Bring your right arm up and to the right and your left arm down and to the left with your palms facing out. Then bend your elbows twice to bring your hands in as you curl your fingers in and bend your left knee twice. Switch the positions of your arms, then do these movements in the opposite direction. Do these movements again in the opposite direction, then once again in the opposite direction. Take a couple of slow motion steps toward the camera. Step over to the left and look to the left as you extend your right arm straight out to the right. Hold this for 7 counts, then lower your right arm, look to the right, and step behind your right foot with your left foot before stepping over to the right with your right foot, then planting your left foot. Swing your right hand down into the left, then up into the right, then down behind your back. Repeat section 1 of part 5. Repeat section 2 of part 5, but instead of swinging your arm behind your back at the end, turn to the right, extend your right arm out in front of you with your index finger extended, and shake your finger to the left and right. Repeat section 3 of part 5 and bring your right hand up to your mouth when you walk in a circle. Repeat section 4 of part 5. Repeat part 1, but instead of bringing your arms down slowly, bring your left hand up and your right hand down, then switch their positions, then switch them again. Repeat part 1 again, but after you bring your arms down, kick out to the left with your right foot as you punch up with your right fist, then plant your right foot out to the right and bring your right arm down behind you as you look down into the right.